Hey, what's up, hot rodders? Welcome back to Duster Bust. I want to get you guys' opinion on black MOPAR Rallye wheels. I think it's a debated topic, and then I'm going to go through and tell you guys where we're at on day 2 of our 30-day quest push to get the Duster on the road. So first off, I'm running the classic 14-inch MOPAR Rallye wheels. So I've seen some forum posts where people have suggested painting them black, and they get some hate on it. You know, that'll look terrible. I had messed around with this early in the project, and I went ahead and painted one of them. You can tell it's early in the project because there's some yellow overspray on it where I painted the car and got a little bit on here, so this will need to be touched up. But I personally like the look of it. I think it looks pretty cool. Alright, so on these little 14-inch Rallye wheels, initially I was thinking of changing these just because there's not a lot of tire options available, but I do like the classic look, and I do like that they're super available and cheap. Around here it seems like you can jump on Facebook Marketplace, pick up a set of 4 for $100. So it is kind of nice to, you know, have that nostalgia and cost effectiveness. We'll just see if we can live with the crappy choices in tires. Alright, so this is the direction I'm headed. I'll probably freshen these up at some point. Obviously, this is not super urgent, but as I was looking at parts, I wanted to get you guys' thoughts on this. So let me know what you think. Alright, so yesterday we had a lot of fitment issues around our headers and our power steering gearbox. So the consensus from a bunch of people, and thank you guys for the suggestions on it, is what we're going to do is I'll probably have to loosen this back up, but what we're going to do is we are going to loosen the lower bolt. We're going to put a jack under the pan, lift it up just so it twists a little bit, get it maybe 2 inches up, and then we should be able to slip, put the headers on, should be able to slip it through here. I was not able to find a helicoil set at the local shops, so I had to order that, had to order a new gasket. And so that's what we're going to do. It made sense to just take a step back today, look at all the things, the order that we're going to go about it, and order all the parts that we're going to need to get this done. So basically today I've just been looking at our to-do list and going through the next few jobs, which is really getting all the steering worked out and then getting the brakes worked out and just making sure that we have the right parts to do that. I'm also took a look at our gas tank out here, and I'm just checking this for leaks. Unfortunately, it's a little hard to check it for leaks when it's raining outside because it keeps getting wet, but overall I think we're going to be in good shape on it. But I am going to have to replace the seal, the sending unit. Just, you know, it might be fine, but realistically you can see it's dry rotted on the seal anyways. So I think they're not that expensive. We're just going to go ahead and replace those and get it in the car. So that'll be one of the next jobs that we do as well. Alright, so yeah, just place an order for a bunch of stuff that should get us through the next few jobs. I'm going to spend probably a couple more hours out here. I'm going to do a little bit of sandblasting. That's always fun. And that's basically it for today. So thank you guys for tuning in. Appreciate you guys. Take care, and I'll drop you an update tomorrow.